Hi everybody, today I am here to show you guys how to wear 5 different ways to style a dress. This dress that I'm wearing is a size 16. It's by R&M Mitchell Richards, and I'm going to show you guys how you can buy clothing that is bigger than you to give you a different fit. This dress is too big for me, you guys. I do not wear a size 16, but I do buy clothing, especially when I find them at the thrift store. This is an item that I paid 25 cents for, you guys, at one of the thrift stores that I shop at. It's a size 16, and when I find things that are too large for me, I know that I don't have to get things my exact size, because if I like my dresses to fit me long and flowy, then I can get them in a bigger size. So this is a size 16. As you see, I have plenty of room in here. It doesn't fit me too big. It actually looks pretty good on me, and I get that flowy look that I want. So this is the first way that you can wear this dress. You can wear it like this. And this is a floor length dress, you guys. It's along Maxi. And if you have some Maxis that are too long for you, I'm going to give you a tip, or you want to get this dress a different look. So this is the first look, and I'm going to give you our second look. Is going to be something. And let me just give you a close-up of this and let you see how that waistband is not too tight. You're going to be comfortable. So if you want to give this for our second look, I'm going to take one of these little elastic rubber headband things. I'm going to, let me turn around because I don't want you guys to see underneath my dress. I'm just going to take this like so, and I'm going to tie it, and you tie as much of it as you want up. I'm just going to tie that, and then I'm going to let that flow. So that gives us our second look with this dress. If you want to go to the beach and you want to walk in the water and you don't want your dress to get wet, you could always carry a little wristband, you know, a little hairband in your hair or on your wrist, and tie it up when you get close to the water. Or if you just want to give it a different flowy look. So that is look number 2. And look number 3 is you can take a jacket with prints on it. And you just put on the jacket with prints. You can wear it open and flowy like that. You can button it up. And now you give this dress a different look, and you could leave it like that, tied, or you can take the tie off, which would also give you a different look. Let me take this off, you guys. And you could take that off, and now you have your long and flowy maxi. You add a punch of color, add some dimension to it by adding a jacket with some prints. You could actually still roll up the sleeves too, and give it a different look as well. Depending on what kind of shoes or clutch or purse you wear with this, it will also give it a different look as well. So we're going to go with our next look. And I just have a sweater. So this is look number 4. I just have a sweater here. A kind of oversized sweater. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Nope. I got it backwards. So we're going to take this oversized sweater, and I want you to see how easily we give this. I lost my bracelet, you guys. My bracelet fell off. How easily we change up this look and we give this a nice, chic, colorful. This color brings a richness and a dimension to this. You're comfortable. And you see how you took that oversized dress and it's just an oversized looking skirt and it's flowy. And because this, you know, shows a little of the armpit, you have the dress up here, under here, and it's not showing skin. So let me come up close and let you see the pattern. If you have any ideas, other ideas that you would use for this dress, let me know. So we're going to try on our next item. And it is another sweater. And also these other items that I'm trying on were items that I also got at the thrift store for 25 cents a piece. So you could see how you could take these items and, you know, you could wear this during the daytime, and then if you're going to the movies or something, going out to dinner or a restaurant, you know it's going to be a little chilly. You give that a different look. And you see how it's just flowy in the back. So you guys, that's how I took this one dress and I gave it different looks. If you want to see me do the same thing with other, I have a lot of maxi dresses that I did get from the thrift store. So if you want to see how I could give these items different looks, let me know down in the comments bar below, and let me know which one of the looks that you like the best. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5. This is the 5th look. Let me know which look that you like the best. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in today. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be sure to come back for another video so you can see more of Vanessa, my life, my journey. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.